Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So if you are suffering from dark elbow or dark knee problem, I have this amazing hack. A lot of you guys have asked me what to do if you have, a little bit dark area on the back of your neck or your elbows or your knees, also your underarms. This hack is amazing. So firstly, for this you will need Eno. Don't freak out. I've used baking soda a lot of times on my skin, so it's good for you. So you'll need Eno and some aloe vera gel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this packet and I'll put it into a bowl. This is just one Eno sachet. You could use this with Colgate as well, but I think aloe vera is good for your skin, so I'm going to use this with aloe vera. So I'm going to add aloe vera to this, about 1 teaspoon. So this is what it looks like. Now mix it really well. It's going to bubble up like this, do not freak out. So this is what you'll get. So you can just apply it with your hands. I'm going to use this brush. Then I'm going to apply it on my elbow. So once I've applied it, I'm going to let it stay for about 5 to 6 minutes. So guys, it's been about 5 to 6 minutes. I'm just going to take a wet cloth and clean this area. If you can see, there is a lot of difference. So guys, do this at least once a week whenever you have time, on your knees and your elbow. Also, you can do it for your underarms as well. So try this. It's a really cool hack. Let me know if you have any more questions, and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is leenagowdaofficial. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, guys. Bye.